apart from that, sir,
पन्नी करवा दो
I didn't see it, because I
In
became.
terms of technical slow, like
There's nothing
work
I
of a
can tell.
director.
Like, what is the work of a director? I don't call you a director. I don't think you're a director. You're a storyteller. And technique or shot taking and all, that is also so evident. You may not be the most technically super person on a set, but your technique is so much integrated with your storytelling. There is no. They're not two things. It is one thing. There is a marriage.
What do you think are your defects as an actor?
Language, which you also pointed out to me, sir, and I'm very aware. I speak too fast. My understanding of sur, of trying to make a sentence engaging and that. Another thing that you pointed out, where only one person had pointed out before to me, which was my friend Ayan, while working on Wake Up Set, is that I disconnect, and it's very evident in my eyes while I'm in a conversation or while I'm in a shot. And I this
Hard
wall,
look.
this hard look, which not many people have said that to me. Even with my girlfriends who have been
Who
so
you've
close
looked
to,
at.
yeah, they haven't seen it. But so this is something I know, but it just happens. It's not intentional.
Yeah.
I don't do it. Sometimes you are angry with that person. Sometimes that person is irritating you. Sometimes you yourself are caught up with your stuff. I don't really see anything good in me, sir. I mean, I'm not just saying it, but I don't have this impression that ये तो अच्छा है या वो तो अच्छा है. I have a lot of defects, superficially and inside. In where talent is concerned, everything. I'm just lucky and I'm hardworking. I know that. I work hard, but then everybody works hard. Who doesn't? So there are many things which I have, but also confessing that being aware of these problems. I've still not worked on it. Maybe क्योंकि गाड़ी चल रही है, but I know that to hit that level, not even hit that level, to cross that level, you need to manjava जो word होता है, you need to do all these. You have to work on it. Everything is not God gifted. Everything is not just luck. Everything is not being in the right place at the right time. There has to be a sense of dedication and work that you have to put in, apart from the hard work you do by landing up on set. But the weakness is that, I think you have to work on it. You gifted me those two books, the Ghalib's book and the Urdu poetry. I have opened it, I have gone through it, but I have really not taken the trouble to really surrender myself to the book in a way that listen, I can do this. But I mean, I'm aware of it. There is awareness.
I feel that you as a person are very suited for this job that you do as an actor. Not only of an actor, but of a star in India who has to deal with a lot more. And so do you think you are, as a personality, suited to the life of an actor?
I mean, I love it. I don't know if I'm suited. I don't follow anyone. My father is completely different from me. And he's the closest actor, star that I have interacted with. So I'm really not trying to follow paths. I just, I don't know, it just happens. Yeah, but I feel I don't think, I'm not bothered by attention. I'm not bothered by criticism or praise and all. I just keep it as background music, something which is very translucent, which I see and I don't see. But
what I want to ask you, sir, is that you as an actor, star, whatever, are often not understood. You misrepresented and all of that, which is fine, but also you are not understood. Actors are not really understood for why. It's usually credited to "Arey mood kharab tha uska" and things like that. So how do you take that? You deal with it very nicely.
So because see, my understanding is that if I want to stay for 20 years, I hope they don't understand me so early. Let them think some other way. I have many years to kind of make them realize who I actually was. And I see it that way. If people perceive me in a certain way, it's fine. It doesn't matter.
Good. That's damn good. We'll take a break and maybe later some other time we'll chat more, sir.
Absolutely.
Great talking to you, sir.
Pleasure's all mine, sir.
Okay.